Hey, welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I'm working on my 2006 Honda Aquatrax F12X, doing some maintenance to get ready for another season of riding. And I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs. This spark plug video applies to all Aquatrax models, turbo or not. They all use the same spark plugs. I'll be changing the oil in a separate video. Honda recommends the plugs be changed every 12 months. If your Aquatrax is running rough or not reaching top speed, I'd start by replacing the plugs. The first step is to remove the coils above each plug. I already have these 3 loosened, ready to come out. It's just a 10mm bolt. Take out all 4 bolts and put them somewhere safe. Then unplug each coil from the harness. Pull out the first coil and set it aside. Here's one of the new plugs. I'm using NGK Laser Iridium part number IMR9D-9H6544. They come pre-gapped, so there's no need to adjust the gap. I'm using this 5/8" spark plug socket. Spark plug sockets have a piece of rubber inside that keeps the plug from falling out and causing damage to the tip. Once it's cracked loose, I like to turn it out by hand. No need to swing a ratchet around. Inspect the plug to be sure it doesn't have any excessive wear, oil, or damage. This one looks good, just a little sooty. I like to put the new plug in by hand to get a better feel that the threads are lining up. Then, once it's hand tight, I'll tighten it the rest of the way with a ratchet. These plugs use a crush gasket, so the first time you're tightening them down, you'll have to turn a little bit farther than if you were to remove the plug and reinstall it again. Maybe another quarter turn. Put the coil back in with a 10mm bolt and plug the harness back in, and it's on to the next cylinder. Notice I only remove one coil at a time. It's a good idea to keep them on the same cylinder instead of mixing them up. That could be helpful in diagnosing any problems down the road if one of them goes bad. Here in Ohio, this ski is stored 7 months out of the year. So, rather than do this in the fall when winterizing, I wait until spring right before I ride. That way, if fogging oil or condensation gets on the old plugs from winterizing and storage, it doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful. In a future video, I'll show you how to change the oil using an extractor, so subscribe for more updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.